Never no rascal intelligent somebody. Me no care. You lie and the brother bottom side you lie. Me no want about no intelligent ras.
Yo,
You no
General,
lie.
Bring him out,
General.
man. Bring him out.
Caution. Remember, say, we do few things different in terms of how we reason like a PMP. We not go in a no cussing and no bad word. Because in general, respect everybody's views. You know, if you cuss
Respect no lie. I respect people, but me no respect lie.
Yeah,
Me
but we
respect
not
opinion, but me respect
So what
foolishness.
proof
My
you
question-
Me
have to
respect
prove?
individuals, not lie.
proof
Me
you have
respect
to
an
prove?
opinion that is
General,
valid, not one that is
Caution.
lie. Me no respect
prove?
allegations because it is
Furthermore,
mere
you don't
allegations.
Me have a
So
question.
don't
You don't
compel
have to-
me
you
to
don't
respect
work.
allegation.
You
Don't
don't even
compel
work.
me to respect
You ever
lies.
worked at something before?
Yo,
It has nothing to do with the lies you're telling, boy.
You say if you ever worked there.
Never worked there before and you know change the facts that you tell a lie.
So all you
General,
know, say lie me and thing.
General.
Boy, because the law could have never allow a body
Which
to
law?
legally
Read
certify
out the law.
anyone gaining from
General.
illicit
Without the statute.
activity has been legitimately employed.
Read it
Nobody
out.
in Jamaica cannot do that.
General.
That is
That is
wrong.
why
It is
you need to
illegal
ask
for the
the
body we are do
government.
it. Brother, it is
That
a lie
you
you're
need to
telling.
ask the government
It is
why
a
them
lie you're
free.
telling because if that is the case,
Alright, so a lie me and
scammers
tell
should
you.
not be
General,
arrested if
Find
that is the
out.
case.
General.
You
General,
are
you see-
lying,
you
boy.
see
You
how
are
your
lying,
brain-
boy.
General.
or your
If
brain
that is the
shallow.
case, boy,
You see how
if
your
that is
brain
the case,
shallow?
boy,
Because we
scammers
know
would have been
I
legal, boy.
represent
So
a
you're
different
lying,
side
boy.
of the party.
Boy,
You
you're
don't
lying.
actually believe say
Scammers
everything
don't have
me
an
say
ID
is
to prove
lie.
them
No,
them
you
job
going to check
title.
for years.
When ID to
to
prove say
find out.
a man have a scammer ID, say
You
a
just a reason
scam
after
title
your
in this year.
brain.
Caution.
Me can show you a rather ID say he's a farmer. And then a man can show you another workplace ID say work there. So which entity
Then
give
the
this person his identity? We say yes, this are your trade. Scamming are your trade. Tell the people in Jamaica, boy, you come and come tell them about starting measure them as being employed. Where? How?
General.
When?
General.
Which
Listen,
summer?
idiot practice.
Lie.
I'm tell him,
Bro,
just tell
you're
him.
telling a lie.
I can bet you
Brother,
anything right
me
now.
want bet you. You're
Me
lying,
can
brother.
bet you.
You are
So,
lying,
you
big
have another
man.
phone, call Cecilia Avenue up a
Me
statin.
not call Cecilia Avenue. People are not idiot. All the dunks is that somebody knows they are chit chat. Why? It means that when you say, if I did fact you say, Scammer could have walked and never like and talk as him ever like. That means you lie you tell.
You want me to call and find out?
Call them liar, call them.
General.
No,
Wait
no,
a caution. Me here, the Prime Minister, your Prime Minister, General,
man, we are,
talk on
Oh, you
several
Prime Minister,
platforms.
our Prime Minister, my Prime
Alright,
Minister,
my
Jamaica
Prime
Prime Minister,
Minister.
come to
Alright,
my Prime Minister. Are your
alright,
Prime
so
Minister
my
that whether
Prime-
you like that or I hate that.
Okay,
So when you
so-
speak to me, say our Prime Minister. Don't come
Alright,
tell me about
so-
my Prime Minister.
General.
Say our Prime Minister.
This
What
man
are
a
you
different
trying to put
thing
respect
we
on the
can't
title? Our Prime Minister, not mine.
General.
Our.
Alright, our Prime Minister. Alright? Me hear him go up on a platform and him say, they look on productivity based on that more Jamaicans are driving. And I keep hearing you mention about scamming. How did they separate the scammers that are driving? Now we know a lot of
a
Jamaicans.
different argument that, brother. Different
in
argument
scam.
that.
No. You can't say a different
Different
argument.
Brother,
This
let me
a-
tell the folks them where they listen to you where you come with.
And more
What
people
this
are
man is
driving.
coming with people, it is called straw man fallacy. Comparing apple to mango just to get a point when you can't get across. And it will never come across. Straw man fallacy no work here, bro. Facts, not frictions.
Foolishness,
No,
you
but
can't.
you
You
can't-
can't.
you see,
You
very
can't
funny,
compare
you know.
apple to mango, brother.
You see, it's very funny. And you know one thing I learn, I like the fact say me birthday and me know exactly what me I talk about. And I like the fact say you create an
Speaking, alright, me what this? I'm actually a foolish you talk. Me can't tell me work there too. Anybody from the land can tell them work there. We don't have no authentication to prove to ourselves that you work there. You are telling a lie. So what you try to do now, after say you work there, to polish the lie. Oi, what you try to do after close for the naked lie, but the lie remain a naked lie. So to say you work there, I used to work there, it's just a polish to the lie to make it look good or close to the naked lie. We have no means of solidifying say you did work there. We don't have no proof say you work there. Strength worker, alright. Strength worker starting. Me work a starting. All of you work a starting. Alright, me work a starting too. Me work a starting.
Me I bet you $50,000. $50,000
Double it. 100 me I bet you. 100. Double it.
Provide you a true.
Double it. Me I put 50 more on it. Double it.
You bro send my listener man. Make a send somebody mutual my 50,000 and you send your to the same person. And when I prove my one person, send the 100,000 to me. You can agree upon that?
Tell the people them what you say you have a proof again, you know. Tell the
No.
people. your check proof.
Big no, 'cause you talk
Tell the
big
people them
and
the lie when you
lie.
say your check
Me
proof.
say,
I mean, I repeat it for you,
we
know.
are going to select somebody neutral to take the money, and when me prove it to you, me get the money. We can move forward from that.
I lie, I tell you. Caution, you can't work.
This is the
Caution,
most,
you can't
this is
measure.
the most
Caution,
pathological
even
lie you ever tell from here. You know, you're a traditional liar, but this is the most pathological lie you ever come up with.
Come on,
Even the
man.
older man them, even the man them will load the bus and so. Them measure the workforce neither.
No, gainfully occupied that means that you're employed. I mean, gainfully earning. Gainfully earning, you earn for you look also, not because you have to permanently employed or part-timely employed, nonetheless, to be deemed an official employed person.
Yeah, measure the workforce, caution. We not go buy that.
Listen, me nah argue with you, you know. I bet you know.
That's why conductor wear uniform. You ever see backup man in uniform?
Listen,
You ever see backup man in uniform?
free
You ever
money.
see backup man with an ID for your backup work?
bet.
But you see conductors with uniform,
No,
right?
yeah,
So I liar tells us starting measure the conductors as being workers.
You know, you see.
Bro, you're
This
telling
is how
liar.
we
We not
prove
make you
to
tell the
us.
Jamaican people them
This is
lie. We
how
want
we
hear
can
truth.
prove to us.
Lie, you cannot
We
prove
don't
it.
know,
You cannot prove something that exists. You cannot prove something that does not exist, my general. That is a
You
lie.
can't bet upon that because
Me can bet you, and you refuse to take the bet. You refuse to take the bet. Conductors are legally deemed as people employed. You know why? That's the reason why they are given uniforms. That's the reason why they are given uniforms. You understand me? Because them get recognized as official persons in the labor force.
Person can listen to what you say and realize say you don't know one shit what you talk about. Because if me bet you something and you can get a free money from me, why
Yes,
you know?
caution, make a work out. Make a work out this thing and
No,
no
it's not
caution.
about workout.
No, man,
Workout right now some
You want
money.
to understand
And
it,
then
boy.
we go up a
You don't want
starting.
to ease yourself, man.
Let me
Let me
go
get
up
to
a
understand
starting and starting.
Relax, man. Relax,
Kind of
man.
information.
Relax,
Relax, man. I'm not reading
Talk your
this.
strength because if you me can't manage your lie.
Hold on,
You
hold
can't
on,
manage
the
like
caution.
this.
Hold on, the
You can
caution.
lie because
Hold
you
on,
have to think about
caution.
it.
Wait, no, man.
Why is it
Wait, no, man.
afraid? No, we're not jumping
Wait, no,
off the
brother.
capital. Why you
Wait, no, brother.
afraid to bet?
Listen what me I say, no, man.
Why?
Listen what me
No,
I say.
listen to nothing where you say something that might wood shop you work in a brother. You don't know nothing what go on right so. Cause you never work in a
Wait,
office.
no, man.
or
Listen what me I say,
computer
man.
yet.
Listen what me I say.
You understand what me I
A
say?
question
We
me I
don't
ask
want
you, no,
to
brother.
hear your opinion.
You were working in front of or back of an office computer or not, brother.
You can't, you know,
The
value
laws
that.
of government country me care about and the constitution. And as far as me know say nothing like what you say no factual. Lie.
The two of we again, listen, strength. Go on one side, no brother, no carpentry we are talk about. The two of we
No,
again,
it don't really matter what you talk about.
Listen to what me
No,
I say. You know.
me respect the
You
elder from the
understand what me I
period.
say? Listen to what me I
Keep
tell
my truth to the
you
top of
right
my head.
now. The up for the bet.
You know, say if you check out the caution, you don't involve in a legal recourse then either.
It's a lie too.
Me
You never worked there before. Let me tell.
You
You
know,
never
say,
worked
you know,
there.
say
You're
if
liar.
check out
You
the
never
right
worked
now, you
there.
don't
No, me
involve
never
in
work
a legal recourse.
Listen, me never work a day from a band, right?
What about that? What we care about is the lie they are telling you
The
to work at
discussion is
and that we care
they
about the lie. We don't care about
classify
nothing else
people
for you.
who load bus, them classify scammer, people who sell illegal
Jesus
cigarettes,
Christ, here them a thing here, sir.
and these kind of things as people
Lie.
that are working.
Because you have to get measured by your TRN number. It is by your TRN number then you use your tax registration number. So you are telling them when man go sell drugs, a TRN they use and sell drugs. Oi, when man go sell drugs, a TRN they use and sell drugs. When man go make them phone call with choppy line, a TRN they use the choppy line. Oh man, the people that measure the employment by TRN, your tax registration number. Your TRN is how are the method used. Yo, brother, your TRN, how they use your TRN, your tax registration number.
Chinese wholesale them pay TRN and NIS.
Virgin, listen to me, caution. All where
The
you
people that were in the Chinese wholesale do
Yeah,
they
but
pay TRN and NIS?
them all of them people that caution,
Then
you
they
check it
can't
out.
black alien.
That is
NIS,
trend.
them
You
produce
were the right
TRN.
so you pay TRN and NIS. You pay
Yes,
TRN.
man.
Move and go.
Oh, you want
Move
me show
and go,
you?
man. You too wicked and lie, man. Too damn wicked and lie.
No, man. TRN is a different purpose.
You don't pay TRN. You don't
Everybody
pay
have to pay
TRN.
tax.
No for the
You
job
pay
them in
tax.
a Jamaica no pay
Yeah,
TRN
NIS.
contract work. So that
And
the
you have to
register
produce
the
a
tax
TRN.
means the
You pay
tax,
NI,
tax
you have to
company.
produce a TRN
Oh,
number.
from your son, man. You pay TRN out of your money. You
How
go
much
down,
TRN
you
you
go
pay,
to tax
brother?
office
How
to
much
pay.
TRN you pay? Your
Watch it from
TRN
your
is
son,
your
man. I
TRN
want
is
you. That means you
a
don't register
registration
neither.
number. Your
You
TRN is
don't
a
register
registration
neither.
number.
Because you're
But me
not
ask,
paying no tax. No
how
tax
somebody
can
pay
draw for
TRN?
your money where you have.
Caution. How somebody pay
Man, pure.
TRN?
The
Nobody
man
no
where
How
pay
somebody pay
the
TRN?
TRN.
Yo,
tire
caution.
at the tire shop in pay
Caution. How
TRN.
somebody pay TRN? Come
Oh,
on,
from
pay
your
my
son, man.
TRN,
I
you know.
want to know, man. You see
No,
only
I
you
want
that
to pay my TRN, bro.
we're not
I
chat.
want to pay my TRN. How somebody pay the TRN? Because you say you can pay for the TRN. How you pay TRN?
You can pay your tax, brother. You him. Where the
You
right
say,
so
how
as
me
a
pay my
business.
TRN?
Him. Where as
Are
a
you say me pay,
business right
we
as
pay with
so
TRN?
strength.
How we pay with
Him can
TRN?
pay him NHT. You can pay, of course you can pay them. You can go
Me
to
say how
tax
we
to
pay
pay
with TRN?
food.
Are you
Tax a
question me
pay.
and
Tax a pay.
ask you about? How we
TRN
pay
is an
TRN?
identification number, you know.
You see you?
TRN is an identification number. So me not understand what you're talking about.
So them a
Because
draw tax. Them a draw tax when you work. You know, them a draw tax on your money.
but no, I not TRN that, brother. Tax
You not
is
pay
what
income
is the tax
tax.
that you
When
pay?
you work over a
Why?
certain amount of money, you
You
not
know
pay
say
income
you.
tax.
You know say you.
Tell
I
me
think
TRN
I tell
number.
Jamaicans board.
So when you go look
Jamaican
at
people.
work,
Hold on the
when you
caution.
go look
Hold
at
on, me
work,
chat to
why them
Jamaican
ask
people
to
what
pay
make the
TRN
caution. Hold
number?
on there. Jamaican
When you go
people.
look at
And
work,
them
why them
uno go
ask
to
to pay
college go
TRN?
study. Hold on the
Man,
caution.
more from
Picnic we
someone
go to
that
school.
exercise you don't
Young
know
lady,
fuck.
young man we
Why
go to
them
school
ask
and
to
get a
pay
good
TRN whenever
education.
you go look at
And
job?
them youth you sit down on TikTok and listen to the convince when you vote.
So
Let
alright,
me ask
so
people
why
them a
why
question. No, me have make people a
you
question.
use a
No.
TRN to get a
Make
job?
ask people some question there. People of
Man,
Jamaica will listen
all
to
them people
caution.
are fool
I
or
really
bumper
this a man
clock.
here
So
who
you
go to
don't know,
school
so you
and
pay
get to
tax when you
nice
work.
education
Bumper clock
and
with
go
them
to
man,
college and come back
blood
TikTok and listen to.
clot. No, sir.
Are you
It's
there
a
come back
real
TikTok and listen to
sample.
boy we so like I say you
Them
don't
man
know
are
primary
real
school?
sample to
Me
blow
shame a
out.
Jamaican people. And anytime I see nobody for your life, me I come look, come want see this set of people them and me I go step them really educated or some people who are worse than you. Because me no think
Yo,
that nobody will spend their
so,
time and value
so hold on
education
there.
and go
So you want
deep
to tell
and
me,
get it.
say,
I go
not even
really listen to
you,
you to convince them to
not
vote for Mark
even
Golding. You, I hold up on TikTok, I campaign for Mark Golding, brother. We need it. You brother, go back to school. Love politics. No can none of that two party. Right now, let's go back to school. No say P, no say jail. Me I tell you to go
You
to
need to
school.
go back to school to
Go
because
back to school,
you
big man.
never know
Big
say
man.
you pay tax
Big
when you
man.
work.
Me not
Hey,
disrespect you, but go
hey,
back to school.
see
You
you.
never know say you
Big
pay
man, go
tax when
back
you
to
work.
school.
So, you know. Anytime caution don't talk, me I go reason with you. Me not reason with caution. You don't know say me a caution. Been in a one little argument recently. See? Bro,
Wow, with the man money where you take.
wait, no. Me I know you me a talk to man. Me I tell him Virgin City.
Nah man, talk about man money where you thief, man.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
Talk
Oh,
about
for
man
God.
money where you
And
thief.
them are people here, 160 well, I Jamaican see them on TikTok and waste data and listen to if vote him out. But I really wonder to myself, but I wonder something here to myself. Because I talk like me granny. What can I really go so do, God? People who still don't value education and beat them picnic to get good education, sit them on TikTok and listen to you. Caution. People who go to college and say they're educated, they on feel life and listen to you and I say, yes, true. I wonder, but with the bomb buck like them I do, God? What can I go so do, God?
That's it. Me go tell you see the way me a caution. Or me go tell
Oh,
you see caution.
Jesus Christ, do God
You see, I know,
Almighty, kingdom
me go show
come,
you how
man.
wicked caution be. Me and this man have a conversation about hard trust NTA, you know. See? And he bet me. He bet me for one little more for something about caution about the hard trust. And I say, go and go look it up, man. And when Kasha go and do the research for the Kasha and come back and tell me, say, yes, I true me attack. You show a wicked man. You see Kasha there? Let me tell you something, man. Them man are too wicked.
You see me strength, me the Jamaican by heart, and me love me fellow Jamaicans, and me promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace. And
Yeah,
out
man.
of them words and sentiments, me ask caution. Tap say PNP, not say JLP neither, because it go bad pan we
You
to
can't
have you
attack the
present us.
first, your character.
Caution, me I beg you a favor. If you love blogging also, me general, fine, you will get employed. But not
Yo,
with the
me I
hater
beg,
itself.
listen,
Hold on, no
listen
boss.
what me have to tell
Caution,
you,
hold
sir.
on, no
That's
man.
why caution can't show him face, you know.
Caution. It's a
Let
have
me
a
The
tell
passion
reason
you,
for
why
politics.
caution
You have
listen
can't
what
show
anything,
me
him
put
tell
face,
you,
aside
but we are
sir.
going to
politics.
find
Let
him.
me tell you
Put
this, you.
aside politics, caution. You take have a
Arrogance is the
you
reason
have
why
a
me
passion
not
for
stand by
anything,
my
you
So he
brethren.
can't show him
get
face. I know
yourself
he
more
look like
literate. Get
Oh.
yourself more literate, me general. So when time somebody come to you with facts, you can't say, all right, but nobody come deny facts
one and a
like
half
say
will get
you
certified
have other
caution.
facts to go around it. Not
One
do
and a
that,
half
brother.
will
My
get
brother,
certified.
my
Because you
brother,
are certified.
my brother, With all of the tit for tat we got through, my brother. Yeah, my brother, may I ask you, please, put aside the P and the J. If you love the vlogging thing, my general, go hard, caution. Caution, go elevate your literacy. Tap the PMP hold you done, bro, and give your hand to
Yeah,
more
man,
money.
for real,
And you
man.
call that lifestyle, my general. I make you the part
Okay,
TikTok and
then.
chat shit because you get paid for chat shit. Don't do it, you know, good, bro. Because it means all of it on a businessman, a bag of man out there go poor and can't help you support your business. Not do it, caution. Caution, tell them say you have enough of it now. And you are going to elevate your life, and you don't want to say no more P and no J and no, then if you call your phone. Tell them say you're done with it and you just want to watch the government work, and you're going to elevate yourself and come back. Tell them say you just give you 5-year break, and you're going to study. And elevate yourself. Stop sound so ignorant on TikTok, my general, with blatant lie where people can go research and see their lie. Not do it. Because when you do to your, do your credibility, not justice. And then if you even start a business named Caution, nobody now go trust you because they must say before that they know you're a liar. Put aside politics, they must say they know you're a liar. Stop do it. Not do it, my general. My general, elevate yourself. Me no reach, if you reach out now, and me still take some advice and me I give you. But if you know, my general, tap it. Tap what you do. You know good. Out of patriotism, tap it. Tap do it in the name of PMP, man. Tap it, bro. Tap it. You know good. God like what you do.
Yeah, man.
Tap it, man.
Yeah, man. Can you see what I do? You see me have to move, can me come. Can me prove him wrong already, you know. We have the argument about Archers NTR, me and him go down in that argument. Yeah, man, and him decide, say, yeah, he go call somebody. Yeah, and me say, all right, call them, man. Call them. And when he call them, and the person tell him the truth, he come back to me, come make me know, say, yes, what me did say, I truth me attack, I saw it go. Yeah, that Caution then too wicked, man. He lie. Oh, yeah, okay. That's why, let me tell you something. You sure they not know how to talk? Sure they not know what to say? Then try to demonize you. Anytime they not know how to try to demonize you. Yeah.
Me not even did realize me in a vaccine because me dey want ask him say if the scammer them registered as legal workers.
What a wicked man,
That
man.
means that the gunman will collect extortion registers as workers too.
You see it too? That's
The judgment, them according to him. He said the judgment, them too. What a wicked act, man.
Eh? The man has said the extortion is them register as legal in the legal workforce, you know. It's a part of the legal workforce, you know. Scammer is a part of a wicked brother, man. Eh?
Did you say you're right, you know? If you can't believe say them kind of people are the people that come to them and listen to. If you tell them say they vote for my body.
That's shame, bro. Put aside politics. Let me talk neutral now. It's a shame to know the level of lie. We Caution comes to you on TikTok confidently. Lies where, even if you're illiterate and you type up on Google, ask somebody to read it for you, it will come and give you a findings different from what Caution show you. And them thing there. And, bro, if you know, say people will value education so much. So and them have the ability to read and can research more. And they are yes, true, Caution, true. And them are people who listen to if you feel inspired to vote out a government like this. Shame on them, brother. Me shame on the people they on Caution live at top up scream and I say yes when Caution I chat them a shit yeah. And the rest of them. Me shame. Me shame, bro. As a Jamaican, me shame when other people listen from the outskirts and hear the fuckery. Me shame your fuck.
And I support them, you know, sir. And they support him, you know, man. They support him, you know. That's why I got to say, hey, me no this brother. No, we can't digest it. We can't incline my ears to listen to something that is irrelevant and stupid. We can't.
So we're not going to go with them strength. You see, we're not going to suck the mother thing. We really show them up and say, yo, I saw them really low in an IQ. Just for a minute, not going to suck your mother root with them. And this and that. And just take time with it. And you see how you jaw out where you try to push both them every day.
Everything, man.
Why?
You know, more want to
You know,
know.
long more come up and so show a liberal. Why
Look
some
at this one.
that's why me hear people say Caution I one of the dunce this man on TikTok and know me just approve it more and more every day. You know, eh? Oh no have a conversation with Caution. You know say Caution I one of the dunce this man we come on TikTok, man.
Then, brother,
You know
you
what?
don't
You don't
notice.
can't attack with all. Hey, no, brother. Me don't know how no conversation with caution, boy. Me I tell you, Jesus Christ.
Look here, you don't
Right.
notice two other intelligent comrades where they did it. You don't notice that when he said that they don't correct him. And them know better enough. You don't notice what they do. Exist the platform. Then don't look to him.
Exit fast. So you
Because
see
he
the man who
make
stand, you see the man who stand up to him a while ago. You see the man who stand up to him a
Leave
while
it
ago.
there.
You take
Go
off.
to
You see
slam
the
the
man
game
who
up.
stand up to him a while ago. You
You
take
say
off.
free make it up. Look, we not get paid for sick.
The man who stand
Yeah,
up
we
to him a
not go.
while
We
ago.
not get paid for sick. I wait up. I buy new shoes. Make it get done. You fuck here.
The
That's
man,
why me do it. I mean, left it up.
man,
Me mash up one pair of shoes all over. Me can't buy back. Let me get up, brother. Let the blast it get up.
Chris, mute your mic. Chris, mute your mic.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you see the man who stand up to him a while ago, boy, me take off my hat to you because
Yes,
you don't
man.
know
Hey,
this a
listen,
while
I'm
ago
coming
me
up to the back
there.
of him,
A while
man.
ago me there, I know. A
I
while
thought
ago
you
me there, I see I've seen him. Wait no man, a while ago me there, I know. Remember me there before though, and as me see him come in, you see how fast me exit? Me not breathe the same airway and breathe. So me I tell you, say, what you do a while ago, trust me, me take off my hat to you, my brother. You have to take off my hat to you. Enough respect. Believe that.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Yeah, caution and make sure say, oh, talk, you know. And, you know, why you come in with your argument at no point in time, you know. And I'm saying, me respect when your idiot come in and just start talk and never tap. Just talk and talk the truth, man, because Jamaican people are listening, you know. Yeah, man, and them things that me love. And that's why me come in now, come share one experience when me have with him. You know, say, I move quick when me share the experience. So, man, too
People
nice.
of Jamaica, when time I make reference to the KFC thing, somebody, me not forget, that's from me stay, me head big and me have elephant memory. You see the girl, when you're Canadian girl, we say, I know Jamaica own KFC in Andrew Holness, that a basic school knowledge. Sister, it doesn't matter who own KFC, sister, or any large franchise of that nature or magnitude. You see, if they're going to our country and the economic stability of that country is poor, them a pack up them bag and lift up. So therefore, what the government does has a lot to do with franchise like KFC, or if the government no own KFC. When the government allow KFC, they can employ, train, and certified people to represent that franchise, of course the government have an input on KFC by making sure that its people provides KFC with the best representation of any magnitude then going there for, be it customer service or server or whatever them workers. So of course a government, be it JLP or PNP, of course a government will perform good with its economic policies. I go attract and entice investors to expand them investments in that country or region. So definitely, sister, even though I know the government of Jamaica own KFC, that are basic school knowledge. The point of the matter is, when KFC is in Jamaica, I know white man and white woman come and work in at them. Are our Jamaicans. The Jamaicans, them pay tax. And the tax them when them pay, come back and benefit back us and them same one. So that's
And
how we put and match up the
and the
KFC thing with government.
And the big question when me need to ask, cause this I go above my head. When me I go ask the question, when I want somebody to tell me, the KFC in Jamaica does not what the word me should I use? Is not owned by Jamaicans. I mean, when say own them don't have shares in the franchise.
who is the franchise owner?
Who is the franchise
No, I
owner?
tell you
Not
what,
Jamaicans.
hold on, just
No,
like,
I could get that first now. Me want to
yeah,
know.
no,
I
just
mean,
like I
I
said,
say all of them, but most of the KFC in Jamaica, are they not owned by Jamaican owners, the franchise?
yes, you will have
Okay
Jamaican,
then. Okay,
just
question
like in a
answered.
Chuta. Wait, no, just like in a
Question
Chuta,
answered.
you
Next thing
can
again. Next thing again, KFC no buy none of the land them when they had their business plan. So either they lease it, matter of fact, I probably lease every land. And most of the time when the government they lease it from a private man. So yes, and the private man pay property tax. And the property tax go back to the government. The government use the property tax them to benefit back the people. So that's how KFC relevant to the government. Next thing, when KFC open its door again, it means that any security company will align with the KFC have to go recruit more personnel because you have a new franchise. You can't go take them from a franchise and let the franchise they short. So you have to go put in more people. The more people employed by that security company merge with those that are being employed at KFC, the government collect more revenue because they are legally employed people where then them are going to pay them taxes like anybody else who are gainfully occupied formally and so on. How does the government jump in? Yes, we take it tax them and make sure that they can drive on good road, go at the same KFC work, right? And give them back good health benefits. And make sure that they school, they picking them go at good school. And when they go open up their front as ladies, then go open up their front in a good hospital bed. That are the value of the tax dollars when you see them the industry they born. It create other industries and open up more employment opportunities. So that's how KFC Japan.
And the KFC in Morant Bay will be in a government building, which means they're gonna pay tax, either the taxes or rent or lease to the government of Jamaica.
People at the party TikTok campaign for Mark Gold and in the party TV are licking chest like I say, a cogent and educated Jamaican that back him. You see the percentage of Jamaican with whoever have as illiterate when they say hi, at them type of people Mark Gold in appeal to. Not a blood clot, good sensible people. Before so they don't vote not at all, but they never would have turned towards PMP. Before educated people vote for PMP, they prefer no vote a Rastal. They not listen to Mark Golding, because Mark Golding is garbage.
A serious thing. Me say the same thing over and over. No educated person in a Jamaica no lean towards the People's National Party.
If you're educated and lean to the PMP, you're general, I think you look. Don't fool with. If you're educated and lean to the PMP, a personal benefits you look. Don't make it look like a Jamaica you love. Don't do it. You don't love Jamaica. I think you look for yourself.
That is it. That is it. No educated people, no literate people, matter of fact. I'm not even going to say educated. No literate people lean towards the People's National Party. Is the People's National Party that bring up the rate illiteracy in Jamaica. Let People's National Party do that. You understand me? Because me can attest to it with confidence. Say, the majority of the people that I reason with day to day on a day-to-day basis, that are supporters of the People's National Party, are gravely illiterate. And it don't matter if them go to university. Because, all right, let me tell you something. Who never listen to this brother where the sport commentary? Who never listen to that brother there in relation to the politics yet? World Tracy, him a one of them. Look how the man sound illiterate.
Play for himself, man. Him a play for him career done.
But that's a show no. Say the illiteracy level of the people them. These are the people that are connected to and support the People's National Party.
And claims to them bright.
Yeah, because how me I say, all right, you're talking about the workforce. If Jamaica workforce, the unemployment rate go down to 0. Watch me I say now. What you know, you know? That no stop Jamaica from getting employed overseas. Yeah? Because you have people trade, you know. People trade from different country. Man I left from this country, go to that country, go work. You with there this a country and a benefit out of this country, and the next man left this country and go to Cuba or go somewhere else for work and then get a better benefit. There all depends on what they are working at. Yeah.
Cham, where you get that information about election in February? We never hear that from the government.
Move on, man. Let's move on from that. Strength, can't get all that. Can we see it, you know?
My question again, when they talk about the overseas job, them country they are gonna stop take the teachers, them and nurses, them.
Reggie, look here.
Teachers and nurses we not sure about. What me sure about a farm work. No American not do no farm work.
Do what, sir? They not do them the job there.
You have nurses I left from America employed to hospital, to the health sector in Jamaica. Yeah? Nurses I left from Trinidad, from elsewhere, them employed to Jamaica. So therefore, you're going to find the same thing trading. This is what you call the trading of skills. A trading, you know. This country traded that country and that country traded this country. I just say, go. Me there so me can get employed in the same woodwork field in America, in Canada, in England, same way. Get called, me can't. Eh? It not tell you say the unemployment, employment now do well in Jamaica. It not have nothing to do with the employment in the country. You understand me? It's just trading.
But it also good for the country because it counter for one area where the government not actively get running as yet. Here we counter for it now through remittances. So what the remittances does, the foreign money come back here and then some of it go back to the government's coffers and build up the NIR, Net International Reserve. So those are currency where we don't normally get if we did more productive and not do more export and I export a whole heap of things and I get back in foreign money for them to export there. So because we don't have a large export going right now at the moment, any local avenue where we generate foreign currency back in the country, a good point of that for the country generally. So it compensates one area where we might not be fully functionally active in right now. So that they understand because at the end of the day too, the Jamaican currency cannot be used in America, but the United States currency, it can still spend out here and you can change it out here. And it's stronger. So it makes sense. You know what I mean? For whilst we reduce the unemployment rate, we also trade labor also because we need international experience. We also do too. It gives us experience in fields and areas that we normally wouldn't have no awareness in. So them the person come with exchange and labor. So different from money, experience come with it too. So a man can come back to Jamaica and start a business because I want thing when go America go learn. Him learn how to make he know how to make sea paper grow the one who can now because he go America go learn say them a do it. So he start with a Jamaica now and he become a little business firm and he create a niche market. So that's just a way out. It makes sense in so many ways, my general.
That is it, brother. Since we don't have the production to export, what make for exports and workforce?
Alright, again. I'm gonna say, boy, it depends amount of care amount exists in the country. Employment again, you know. You can't have.
I believe Miller passed too long though now. No can call Miller. Sorry to interrupt you. I believe him passed too long still.
Him there work, man. Actually, him there work, man. They on the job.
But you know, in life, we cut off after a while if he passed too long.
Yeah, but just keep tapping it up, no?
Yeah, when you have top strength mute, come here, you tapping like real life tapping.
Let me ask on this, right? And me have a views, because the last time me that talk about it on a live too. And when we're talking about export, what is it that see feasible we can export right about now?
First, before government, because that's the difference between we and PMP. We are going to do market research and feasibility study. Me not ask Christ that. The JLP are going to do market research and feasibility study. Why? So with the innovation of genetically modified seeds, it means that some countries now can cultivate some crops that they were never able to cultivate using the natural seed of its own or the offspring of them to replant it or transplant it. So take that now, them have some crops can now grow in a some environment because them use the seed, genetically modified seeds, to make them conducive to environments where they normally would be conducive in. So that's why we have to do market research and see what the international market would demand from us in agriculture mostly. But not only that, we have to look on the profit we might generate and also look at other people who cultivate it and on what scale them cultivate it and also on what scale them are put it to the same country where we aim to actually put the same product to. And that's the difference between JLP and PMP. So me know them do them thing there. That's why you see people like Kamina, Johnson Smith, so active a foreign, Ed Bartlett. It's a whole teamwork. Them have a vision.
Okay. Good. You answer in a way. You answer me direct.
Right,
but let me put this to you now. Let me
say something to that first. All right. I used to work in the export business, right? And the company which I used to work with, doing export. Them export produce, right? They export yam, potato, pumpkin, inclusive of fish. Export guinea, ackee, everything. This company export. You understand what I'm saying? Everything, because them say the market in England, Canada, and US is mainly targeted the Jamaican side of things in those countries. It was the Jamaican them overseas that were doing the import from Jamaica. Yeah? So when we are export, especially yam and pumpkin and melon, all of these things we used to export them. So everything in Jamaica practically, in every produce in Jamaica practically export.
So I'm going to ask, based on what the first person was saying, I'm going to say you're correct. So I'm going to ask you a direct question now. You think it is feasible for we as Jamaican now, so we are going to start export sugar?
No, why? Let me explain why. So fine, unless it depends on what type of sugar. Why? Good. Based on recent evidence that can be proven now upon Google, actually the demand for sugarcane sugar is decreasing. Why? So alternative methods for sugar are now being born and now ventured into big time. For example, beetroot sugar, pineapple sugar, honey sugar. So countries who probably have these in abundance now realize that, oh, we can extract this raw material and turn it into sugar. So therefore, at the same sugar, so we not have to depend so much on the sugarcane sugar. Hence, the closure of probably Appleton Estate, who would have realized the price for the sugarcane sugar is devaluing on the world market because they were mostly dependent on international export, not locally or regionally. If you get a profit off of the sugarcane, they normally target bigger countries like in Europe, Central America, and then place there. However, the thing changed now. Some countries are moving away from sugarcane sugar and are divert to honey sugar, as me tell you, beetroot and pineapple sugar. And that's evidence you can check for yourself, you know what I mean?
Me been a tell the world that up to last night I have the same conversation with them. Up to last night I depend on live and I tell the people and say long gone are those days where we had people that talk about sugar and we not make the sugar and we not make the banana. Nobody now look on them there again.
People are going to perish because of lack of knowledge. People are going to perish in the abundance of water, the fool remain thirsty. People are going to perish because they refuse to seek knowledge.
People will make sugar now, them have it so abundantly. Them literally give it to us so it's easier to buy it more than make it. And all me I tell them nobody now hear that I understand that.
It's a boy in a comment section ask me say when you can find information. Stop it now, bro. When you want to find anything else, where you go find it? Go on Google, you know. Stop to be ignorant.
GIS.
But the evidence that you can go find it on the world market.
The wickedest thing when I look upon them, you know, man, that's why anytime come on a Liberate Live, we have all the right to this any PNP come on Liberate Live. Come in, I'll go part them there. And them will come eggs up. Any PNP come over here chat for me, diss them. Come in, I'll go over for PNP there. That's why I first did. I want to Liberate go over PNP. I'm going to follow up PNP. I never want to hear them. I don't want to hear nothing about them. I don't want to see them. I hear them a chat about.
This year,
yes, me.
the honest leadership going to be next year, yeah? Let everything all work, everything going to turn up in the country.
No for no PNP, no for no PNP in the third term, in the third term, I'm going to drop down, I have a heart attack and dead. Pussy, no for no PNP. And I'm mad, no. Allow me to try to carry on that PNP, but if you go, man, just stop for Liberate Live, what's up?
Candy, adapt me just not tell Mario, you know.
Mario put me in a big box. Then we're not have up the right.
The kids did have a plan. Yeah.
Yeah, PNP no look for that pussy.
Right. I like that.
Leader for leader, look upon that.
Yeah, that's what Kizzy have up earlier. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Man.
We see
We are comparing them, you know. That's not going to look on our bottom, me pay. Look at good look.
A be a
Labor Party.
No, not telling, not at the bottom, not at the lower part, the lower end, not the bottom. Yeah.
lower.
The lower, the lower section. The lower section, yeah.
Lower section there. Take note. The Prime Minister name in a good book, me paper. Yes, the people no like up the live, they on top of the live. They don't
Other
like
party
one
deal with
and
bottom.
two.
You're Nathaniel.
Top of the live.
Remember that the next party deal with bottom.
Yeah. One of the, yeah.
Where are
Yeah,
all
man.
them?
But you know, yeah, them young I lower section, them people. Yeah.
Guys, you must
Good,
put
good.
one of them.
Top of the live.
See Mario
Thank you.
and 4 donut on him live. They see if everybody can buy a 1 donut, please. And don't click on me if I send the donut. Then click on Mario. Him up there.
Yeah, plastic, you know, you know,
I
plastic.
know click on me and send the donut. But click on Mario.
And top up the live then, guys. Top up the live, keep the live going. 20K, we need to get the man to 20K.
But I wanted to ask though, guys, what is it? Can I ask Scrummers? Not only the excitement or should I say the niceness. What is it that you get from what our other speakers talk about? What is it that you understand? How it can benefit Jamaica? Those are the things we are talking about. Oh, what the price?
Okay.
Those are the things I talk.
Yeah, man. Especially upon the electricity, man. The big boom that for me is still in the
If you don't realize, I have post
yeah,
on
man.
page as well.
That is it, Regine. And the one and the other part, when I talk about the other people, them, when we ever capture, when I get no money and anything, that we try to capture when I register, nothing at all, and they part nothing. Them two talking points. Yeah. I need to capture.
Yeah, the JPS from 15% to 7% really
yes,
good.
Man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I
They're
that,
really,
man.
really, that's a big drop. That's an awful lot of
Yes.
percentage.
That make me name the business can more any of the people can more invest and more business friendly. I think can help at a lower inflation and thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the thing, you know.
You see when the major company them light bill are cut like they
yes.
The bakery place
are take a good look in the paper. Take a good look
yes.
Yeah, they can employ
they can get more money to carry home too. They can pay people better too. And whatever.
Yeah, they can employ more people.
66 people over here on the platform. Guys, I want to take a good look on the picture on the screen. I want to take a good look. Take a good look, my people. Without the likes of vibes cartel. Take a good look. Take a good look.
All right, Nathaniel. What this remind you of? Labor rights, what this remind you of? 2020 election result, we look at the map.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Like a speckle around with the orange.
Remember, the Prime Minister even talk about the water, guys. If you grandmother, grandparents who had pension,
you know who stand for a lot from it.
Years now, you can just go at the end of the day and reapply for no water, and water come back and effective. February, remember,
hey guys,
for 3 months.
Look here. You see the hotels them, they're not tanga with them workers. Them are gonna get benefit from that, so they can pay them workers more.
Yeah.
Cause them water, well, them not gonna benefit from the water, but the electric them are gonna benefit.
No man, hold on, Churchill, listen to this. They will benefit out of the water. Do you know why? Because you see what name there? Water Commission is one of JP's biggest customers around them pump. If it cut down, they're gonna pay less money to JPS to and can push out and whatever. Everything will come down, brother. I can charge less for water too.
No, well, I mean,
everything will come down.
Let me tell you
well, yeah.
That alone is a train effect, Virgin.
Not just that, DJ. More people will pay water bill because remember, you know,
yes,
the water cut off, people are thief it, regardless situation maybe. So if them can go get, can matter any reason why no pick no put on but then water, you know, because it's so expensive. And then
you again too. If you with the same current with electricity too, all what thief like I can afford to pay like this, so they're not gonna bother thief the light again neither.
We still have
prepaid
people like
system.
you.
Them a go
And
still
that's
keep
the
it.
thing.
Have that, but to the levels, to the amount, to the percentage we are talking about then.
But
But
remember, there will be
Chromers,
a
remember the
prepaid
problem
system as well, too, you know. It's not
prepaid,
only,
yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
It's
the
like
prepaid
that
system is a
Where's
great.
Mario?
Remember, you will have a
yeah,
prepaid
pay as you
system as
go.
well, pay as you go system.
Yeah, pay as you go.
Yes, all
Yes,
them thing
they
there.
have a prepaid meter, yeah.
So you
That's
want the Prime Minister try to take all who are thief and say we are thief like criminal and them something. He want to change them people to stop thief like and water.
you see
Yeah,
when
the mindset
you
and thief.
Chromers, you see when you have the pay as you go and the prepaid, people will conserve more energy because they must say, boy, I
Of course.
have $50 left in it, so I have to minimize and see how me use electricity.
Yeah.
So,
So it's, anyway, check this a positive right across the board, my brethren.
it is.
That will save GPS money, because remember, a lot of that are stolen electricity where them charge people who are paying, right? So them can cut down on how much bill them a give we when everything regularized.
Yeah, but it affect all the things, but it better man. And does that and also that there's a problem with that current problem. And that the rest of the Caribbean have a we you notice that?
Exactly. But
You
remember,
notice
investors,
Yeah.
yes.
Energy.
remember, Chromas, investors as well, they are saying that a lot of the reason why the investors not, them say energy too expensive at Jamaica.
Yeah, the overhead costs
Exactly.
with the energy. That's why enough people don't know what the company left from Jamaica gonna Trinidad and them place
Yeah,
whatsoever. You see me?
because look at it, Chromers. Guyana was one of the poorest countries in the Caribbean. And look on them now because they found oil and they are very, very rich now.
But that's the advantage Guyana have our because they never get an island can look away. We
No,
not
sir.
have nothing look on the level so we there.
Yes, guys,
That means that we are the best. We are going better if Guyana should Guyana with them island and make them up on the map here now. But we not have no island and nothing look on how we bring back the country, Virgin. I just know my love Labour Party still in Virgin. I tell her this, You go to man and deal with the country, Virgin. And I bring it back from the brink a collapse under the PNP.
And the thing, Chromers, a lot of people can't appreciate that, but me can tell you, me come from the 70s. I can appreciate the difference this country is in today. A lot of people just come up yesterday and them not realize where this
Mr.
country is
Churchill,
coming from.
no people don't understand, say, when Labour Party come and build back and do what we do, catch up your plane, no boss.
Yeah,
All Labour to me tell you that,
but
catch up your plane. So,
we still
you
not
should
catch
have
up
passed in
yet.
a stage a long time, Virgin.
30
We not
odd
catch up
years,
yet.
30
No,
odd
me I
years
say,
of
catch up your plane.
Yeah. But me I say, we not catch up to where we should be right now.
But we are going good
What's
so
up,
far.
you
I mean,
guys?
give them, man, we come far away still, Mr.
about
Churchill.
3
We have
more
to give
Yeah,
them
years
the
man.
props,
and we
Virgin.
reach that
Judge
And
part
that,
we did there.
3
no, and
more
that me I
years.
say, you know, understand what me I say.
To
That me I say,
how we are going good, we know we're rated as a third world again, a second world, we're going now. So, each up on a first world right now.
Remember, say COVID kind of step back the country as
Yeah,
well,
2
So
years.
we still
3
go on
years
good
now.
stuff.
But me,
Yes,
that's why we have to rate ourselves. Because if
yes.
COVID,
Exactly.
if take a 2 year,
If
the man,
we have this country like 18 years ago, we turned first for a long time.
that's why I
alright.
can't like PNP in my bed. Because here what me I say now, this is what me I say to the people. Because I soon jump
But
off
then
and rub this
that's
thing
my
now.
man, they rob up the whole of Jamaica run over to France. That little cock, yeah, you know what
Yeah,
I'm
but
talking
this is what me I say to you now. As much as we hate the PNP them and them do what them do, it's a PNP did do something towards the country. Although you have two parties, and you might have different ways to reach destination Jamaica then. And that Jamaica the main. That's the thing that deal with Jamaica. Every next party that deal with Jamaica, man. And then we have a different way to reach certain goals and meet certain way and what and do certain little things in the 18 year now. Jamaica not far in origin. But them they do none. That's why I can't like PNP. I just for them party. You see me, they don't do nothing to Jamaica. All them do is mash down and rape Jamaica and mash down Jamaica. You see me, nothing towards nationality and country and build up nothing. As much as you have in other countries, you have other two parties and whatever. The two parties they might do something same way. Me can't really point out what PNP do. People say PNP do things, but me can't point it out. John, I want a magnifying glass to find that blood now. Them I telling you that.
Then talk to that's what they do. tax.
Yeah, but yeah, then the whole part bad thing I talk about pan the levels you say, pan a good thing we say when do for the country Jamaica. Pan a positive level me I
Can't
talk
find
about.
none. Me can't find none.
That's why me can't like them brethren. Me not hate PMP people them some of them, you know. Them me love me hate the party and them doctrine brethren. I'm a whole part PMP friend. Me have whole part PMP, but them understand me and them me not really chat politics and they know which part me stand. That's what me I say. But me I tell the brethren, Jano, the policy and the communists and the free mentality and the arms house and the populist type of thing where them
In my
deal with
heart
brethren.
sometime,
We
man.
can't deal with them brethren. Anyway, the
Hey,
wind blow at this of PMP.
you see what
One
Cuba
win
look
by
like
default.
today? You see what Cuba look like today? And that's what
And
man
you
they
know
want to
Cuba
carry
and Castro
Jamaica.
and Mr. Churchill,
Yeah,
Castro,
yeah.
dead as one of the richest man in the world leader. You know that?
Mm.
Do you know that?
But now I
If
said the
him
country
Castro money
itself.
not normal
The country itself.
and the
You
country
ask me a
poverty
question.
and him the leader himself so communist thing
Really,
run no.
Roman, never
It's a
ask
form of
So
question.
slavery, you know, man.
what I'm
Controlling
saying,
people, you know.
what I'm
And you
saying,
live like a king, you know.
Jamaica could be like Cuba today if man did get him ways.
Of course.
You know, that we feel look pan.
Me
Anyway,
ask
I'm
me a
not time to do
question.
this.
You see,
I'm not time
everything
with the
we go
street
on a
right through and I
conference
work this still. I
yesterday.
go jump out still.
Everything we go
I
on a
do
I
think.
go
conference
break, me take off
yesterday.
I walk.
Me put up
Lunchtime I
me
know
put up
still, but me take a little
some
break. So if I
pictures.
work with them, I go jump out left
Some
way.
pictures.
Respect for your input, my brethren.
Alright, bless up.
Yeah, man,
Me
I
put
look
up
more
some
man,
pictures.
cause you don't
Much I
know.
don't like it and share it.
Candy, you ever call me, if you look for my number and I inbox and call me, me have to chat,
Yeah,
yeah?
me go call as me come off, me go on the other page and look on it.
Candy,
Yeah,
send me
look
that.
good. I'll
Send me
call me later,
that.
cause me there work now.
Una pose yet, Candy?
Me post it. Me no know much on reach, like it,
Oh,
repost it.
me no do no,
Everything is posted
me
on
no
my
do
page. Me still
no,
a
no
post
like and
more.
share for the morning, so.
But
It's what you want to like up and share up, if you share up. Me never do that,
when
mama.
you see people post things, you know, if you like it and share it.
No, me never do my regular morning duty this morning. Sorry about that. Never do my
Me I
regular
post
morning
them from
duty this morning.
yesterday and come
I'm
off
at
it
the
again.
morning time, me like and share before me come up in a box. Me go through and see where me fall out and tap up and like up and do what you do before me come in at the
Still a
box.
post. Me I post like the main points them are what the Prime Minister say. And I put some nice little song with them to draw people. So I share it.
Just repost some.
Yes, guys, we need to repost and share and let teach the good word. In a sense, we
And what we
are.
need to do, we need to come back on and for all who never did watch conference, find some of the clippings them, them talk with each speaker talk and just play them on the live them. Cause them not chat for long. Because
Yes, that's
and
the
everybody
one.
watch conference and then everybody go conference. So we have to because then
That's
everybody
Yeah,
love it. And
but you
everybody
think
love the
that.
excitement.
you can't play them over man make them hear, you know.
But then here, yeah.
Spread the word.
And then after that we can have a good discussion.
Let me see if I can find one of them.
Because there was a lot of things with Jamaicans, hardworking Jamaicans will benefit. Every single set of Jamaicans will benefit. Not only J, but P and no P, and every single people of Jamaica will
Okay,
benefit.
but Karen said, I tell you no. Karen said, I tell you, so they sit down and tell you that nothing is not going on. And then them same one go reap the benefits of the Jamaica Labour Party.
Yeah. And it's
And we
True,
Labourites sit down and make them and reap our benefits.
true. And then say nothing that go on.
Exactly. Big woman,
Deceptive set.
Hello.
good morning.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Sorry. We're okay.
Good, good. How are you?
Fantastic.
I love Juliet Oldness for the woman.
The good man Marcia, big up yourself.
Yeah, but
Big up. Show us straight.
Yeah man, sure.
we just need to let people because remember,
Donald Sangster, Hugh Shearer,
Edward Siaga, Bruce Golding, labor rights. Yes, man.
Me and the labor right.
And you know, young. Yeah, the whole of the labor rights.
Shower.
Juliet Wallace.
We can't hear the bro got labor rights, them.
Shower. Yeah, bro, got labor right them nothing else.
Why because of the conference are the biggest we ever see.
Make we hear it now. Remember, say me that England.
The Great East Rural St. Andrew. Yes, from the mountains to the sea, massive place. I'll tell you, you know that I'm always bigging up the man them. However, today, my job is to remind you that the Jamaica Labour Party has a strong track record of actively supporting and empowering our women. Labour rights, a long time we are doing it. From about 1948, when Madame Rose Leon became the first female to be the chairperson. At the time it was chairman, the chairwoman of the national political movement. Yes, labor rights. From them time now, we promote women. Labor rights. Fast forward to about 2020 general election. I remember our party. Yes, our party. We fielded the most female candidates in the history of Jamaica. Yes,